Hi everyone, so welcome back to the first video on eye makeup series, and we are starting from eye concealing. Basically, we are prepping the eye for eye makeup. First thing we require, that is color corrector. For dark circle we required peach color corrector because she has light dark circle, and the brush we are using is Proart ka concealer brush. And after application we need to blend it out. For this we are using mini beauty blender from the brand called PAC, and we are just blur out the crease line. Do not do over dabbing because product हट जाएगा. बहुत सॉफ्ट हैंड से we need to blend it. And then I am using the concealer from the brand called Forever 52 with shade number C0V001, and you can see the application we need to do. And for highlighting I am going to apply some amount to under eye. Again we are using the concealer brush to spread it out on eyelid. You can see the complete process in detail. From these eye makeup series, we are going to make you the pro in eye makeups. So it's the first step you need to do before doing eye makeup. Now again we are blending it out. Just crease line को blur out करना है. Do not do over dabbing. Same goes for under eye. You can see the result. How softly I am blending this product. In such a way you need to blend it. You can see. After getting the blending done, we need to eye lock, and for this I am taking the transition shade from the palette Pretty All Set, You Can Be, and the blending brush. With the help of this I am going to blend the transition shade over my eyelid to lock the concealing. This is the base you are making for the eyeshadow application. And after this we need to powder locking in the under eye, and for this I am taking the powder puff and applying it in such a way. The powder I am using, that is Forever 52 ka translucent powder with the shade vanilla. You can see here is the final look, and after this you can begin your eye makeup. Thank you.